Hi there, everyone. I just wanted to share a small project that I've been working on. For a while now, I've been trying to find a good solution to changing individual application volumes while I'm playing games, especially, or something like that, where I wouldn't want to Alt-Tab or have to deal with actually changing the Windows volume mixer manually. So I've been working on using the nanoKONTROL2 as a control interface for the Windows volume mixer. So just to show off how this works a little bit here, the general idea is that you can hit any of these select buttons while you have an application in the foreground, and this will just select that and bind this slider, this fader here, to that actual application fader in the volume mixer in Windows. Also, it should work for mute here as well, naturally. And the far right fader here is just the master fader for the sort of general playback in the Windows mixer. And mute, of course, works for that as well. Selecting shouldn't do anything. I've also bound the media buttons here to act as standard media buttons, so I should be able to go ahead and press play here and give this a try. So, of course, the volume's all the way down. Should be able to bring that up. All right, and now we're in business. So clearly this seems to be working, and it's just moving that individual volume. Now I have Mumble up here. I'm not actually connected to anything, so it won't really show us much, but I can bind that as a second one here. So the general idea is I'd be able to bring voice chat up above my music if I needed to, or cut out the music if things get particularly intense. In general, just sort of whatever you need to be able to do, as well as being able to do, your usual overall volume control. Another nice thing here is if I turn this quite a ways up, you'll see now that we actually have some levels being shown just using these lights here. Obviously, only 5 isn't very much information, so let's expand that out to a few more here. I couldn't really decide if I wanted to use all of the recording buttons for that, or if I just wanted to limit it to just these buttons instead. But I figured why not do both, because I don't really need the recording button for much of anything right now, so I might as well make it usable for both. And this is nice as well, because right now I have it set so it'll actually save off these applications that you've bound to these sliders, so that every time you open it you won't need to go program it again or anything like that. It's still a very immature piece of software. It has quite a number of bugs to work out, but I'm pretty happy with it so far for really not that much actual programming on the project. So I hope you enjoy the idea as well, and if you're interested, let me know.